said I'm Jack.
I heard you.
Here's Jack.
Jack's first time in the snow.
I'm playing in the snow, but can I just swing him one more time to see if he likes it?
Is this his first time?
Yeah.
Does he like it?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Do you want to see me go on the slide?
For sure. You like the snow?
Yeah.
You're not sure? Are you cold? All right, let me get Mushki coming down the slide, okay? All right.
Now we everywhere.
Come on down. Woohoo! How was that?
I want to eat some snow.
Go ahead. Okay.